What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday night. Cali Elite Sports Cards here. We about to have a big half case break of select football. Welcome. Give everybody a couple minutes here. We about to get started here live in just a minute. Happy Friday night. How's everybody doing out there? What's good? What is good? About to pull some fire tonight, some big hits. We got to do a half case break of select football. 10 blaster boxes tonight of select, pulling that fire. Again, thanks everybody for their on-time payments tonight. I think we're waiting for just one more payment to come through. Let's go ahead and get that confirmed here. Waiting on payment still for Giants and Panthers. We can get that payment in. Let's get going for tonight. Giants and Panthers have yet to be paid for. Go ahead and get those babies in. We get started here in just 1 minute. Give everybody just a moment to hop on the break for us. Those that are returning, what's going on? Our video will be uploaded to our Instagram TV page immediately following our live videos tonight. We will have two videos on our first two breaks in our first video. We have the half case of select football. Then we have a basketball mixer coming up. Prism basketball, NBA hoops, little 5-box 2 cello break after this. So both of those will be uploaded in the same video. If it's your first time joining us, big hits will be sleeved and top loaded during the break. All medium bangers and small hits. Make sure we take care of those babies before shipping for you. Of course, then we got to take care of those rookies, as you know, and those all-stars. So let's get going here. Just a moment. What's going on? My man Corey, what's good? And happy Friday night. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Just got that Crown Royal first off the line in. Chronicles football in. So we're looking to do some mixers coming up here for next week. Keep an eye posted for those. Thank you all for hopping on our football half case break today. Select. Looking for those blaster exclusive blue prism die cuts. As you know, throughout 3 on average per blaster, 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box for the select blasters. So looking for those fires. Of course, that rookie autos. The die cuts look amazing. Also, as you know, case hits, zebra die cuts. We hunting zebra die cuts tonight. Let's do it. So teams that did not sell at this time. We got the Texans. Texans have not sold. And let's see. That's it, Texans. And let me check to see if payment's been submitted for the other teams here. Texans and Panthers are available. Texans and Panthers together for 14, shipping included. Texans and Panthers for 14, package deal. If anybody wants to take the Texans for 5. Can't do the Texans for 5. Package deal, Texans and Panthers for 14. I'll do a single team, both for 15, both for 14. Cool, sounds good. Both for 14. Got you, my man. Go ahead and shoot over my Venmo for you, boss. All right, that's it. So the break is full. Panthers and Texans were just taken. All right, break is full. Break is full for tonight. Appreciate that. Thanks for the quick pickups there. Let's get going on tonight's break. Again, guys, we got a second break to follow coming up about 9:15 Pacific time. Probably get started between 9:15, 9:20 as we get reset here in the NBA Hoops Mixer. But again, our half case select football break is full. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blasters right there for our half case break. Let's get going. Good luck, everybody. Type those player names in the comments line. Type those teams in the comments line. I want to know who we are hunting for tonight. Bring those good vibes to the packs for you. Again, we like pulling nothing but the hits here on Cali Elite. Let's go front row and center, baby. Good luck, everybody. Happy Friday. Who we hunting? Call them names out. Good luck. Rookie autographs. Silver prisms. Corey, my man Corey knows the chat is magic. The chat is magic. You ask, you usually will receive. That's how it goes. Players gotta hear the name. I'm feeling the zebra tonight. I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling the zebra here. That's right. Closed mouth gets no food, my man said. Let's go. And we starting off with a Kirk Cousins. Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. Joe Namath. Unbreakable insert. Jets. AJ Espenza. Rookie. Anthony McFarland Jr. And look at that first blaster. We got a numbered Dave Casper auto. Not even just a numbered. Oakland Raiders Hall of Famer Dave Casper. Tight end 49 of 50. Look at that. First blaster. What a start tonight. We got an auto. Raiders are on the board. Jordan Love. Blue die cut. Love seeing that for the pack. Jacob Eason, rookie. TJ Watt. Khalil Mack. Jalen Reagor. Fly Eagles fly. Christian McCaffrey. Nice start off with the first three packs. No complaints there. Let's take care of my man Jay Love. First QB hit of the night. Now we're going to keep those going for you. One of the hottest QBs out there right now, most talked about. Let's see what actually happens in Green Bay. Dave Casper. Autos ain't shy tonight. Coming out early. And you guys got 3 breaks in total tonight. NBA Mixer coming up, 9:15. We got our third break of Prism and Don Russ Mixer basketball. Marlon Davidson, rookie. Cam Akers, silver. First silver rookie of the night. And a Patty Mahomes, blue die cut for the Chiefs. Jonathan Taylor. Wait, Jonathan Taylor, variation. There we go. Look at that. Jonathan Taylor back to back. We got a club level Jonathan Taylor. And we got a field concourse right here. Nice back to back JTs. You don't see that often. Matthew Stafford. Devin Hester, turbocharged. Chase Young. Let's go. Washington football team. Bradley Chubb. Mike Vrabel. Die cut. Alvin Kamara, blue checkered. And Larry Fitz. I do buy cards at times. My man's asking in the break, in the comments there. Nice silver Cam Akers right there. A couple other nice die cuts coming out of that blaster. Vet die cuts. Get those baby taken care of for you before shipping. Blaster 2. Adam Thielen. Second blaster. We got a Justin Jefferson rookie patch right there. Minnesota Vikings. Look at that purple and purple right there. Nice. Select rookie mem. Kurt Warner. Blue die cut. DeAndre Swift. Von Jefferson. A.J. Dillon. Another rookie for the Packers. There we go. Jalen Hurts. Zeke Elliott. Troy Polamalu. A.J. Dillon silver. Go with that orange die cut we just pulled. Back-to-back hits for the Pack. Christian McCaffrey, blue die cut. Daniel Jones. All right, QBs, let's go. Come. Two nice silver rookie running back hits so far. Cam Akers and A.J. Dillon. Tyler Johnson, rookie. A.J. Brown. Adrian Peterson, turbocharge insert. K.J. Hamler. Tom Brady, Bucks. DeAndre Hopkins, orange. Jameis Winston. Blue die cut for the Saints. Nick Chubb. DeAndre Swift. Saquon. Michael Thomas. K.J. Hamler. The GOAT making an appearance tonight for the first time.